If you're experiencing pending transfers on iCloud, it can be frustrating. Follow these simple steps to resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to a stable Wi-Fi or cellular network. A weak connection can cause delays in transferring data to iCloud. Step 2. Restart your device. Sometimes, a simple restart can fix temporary glitches. Turn off your device completely, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on. Step 3. Update your software. Make sure your device is running the latest version of its operating system. Go to Settings, then General, and select Software Update to check for any available updates. Step 4. Sign out and back into iCloud. Go to Settings, tap on your name at the top, scroll down, and select Sign Out. After signing out, sign back in to refresh your iCloud account and its settings. Step 5. Check iCloud storage. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the s.rock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any pending transfers on iCloud. If the issue persists, consider reaching out to Apple support for further assistance.